WPL C14, which is right here. WPL has a bunch of different models. We have the C24R, we have the B14R, the B16R, B24R, and then the C14R, which is what I have. I did want the C24, but Banggood was running a good special, and I got the C14, but I will get a C24 eventually and compare the two. So it does look like there is some assembly required. Here is the pack of decals and also all the plastic pieces that go on the truck. Here is the transmitter. Throttle feels like it is proportional. Steering feels like it is all or nothing. It takes 2 AA batteries for the controller. Here we have the instructions. You do get a USB charger and a 700 milliamp hour 6-volt nickel cadmium battery. The truck, it is all plastic parts. 4-wheel drive though. Tires are a little stiff, so that will not help with the grip. You do have a full spare wheel and tire on the back though. Check the range of motion here. So we have a little bit of assembly to do first, and then we're gonna go out and hit the trail. Okay, there it is. I got all the decals on. Well, not all of them. I got most of them on. But now we are ready to hit the trail.
Okay, it's time to test out the WPL C14. On the bottom here is the on and off switch, and there is your trim. Let's turn the controller on, and we do have LED headlights, so that's cool. And it looks like these are buckets for an LED kit if you want to put LEDs up top here, but it is proportional. Forward and reverse, 4-wheel drive, but it's all or nothing on the steering. So that is a little disappointment. So overall, this does feel very cheap. The controller feels cheap. I mean, it was 35 bucks. So let's see if it's worth that 35 bucks. I know they do have upgrades that you can do. You can put a steering servo in and an upgraded motor. And then they have metal parts also that you can replace. But enough talking, let's get it on the rocks. See how good it does. So let's test it out here first with the proportional throttle. Ooh, something in the gearing is clicking. I think it's in the gearing when it wants to climb. Let's see how long it takes or how well it does coming over to me. It does look awesome though. I must give the looks some credit. Oh man, this steering is horrible. So I think the first upgrade has to be a steering servo. Let's come down here. Oh man, it just does not have power. Ooh, that does sound like it's a gear in the transmission. That's what that sounds like. I'm stripping teeth, I think. Have to upgrade that as well. Let's just go for it. Oh! I don't think we're gonna make it up that hill. This thing just does not have the power to do it. Let's see though if it'll surprise me. Man, that sounds awful. Okay, let's reset here. Try and climb this hill. I think there's no way that we even get halfway up the hill. But let's give it a shot. We'll stay over here where I know we'll at least make it. Oh, first real test. Not gonna make it. I am not gonna have any teeth left on this gear. So this is definitely not a climber. So we're off the hill now. The hill was just too much for this. It couldn't climb, didn't have the power. These hard tires just had no grip. But I did get about 12 minutes of runtime out of this battery, so not too bad. I definitely want to upgrade this. I think it has a little more potential. Steering obviously is a downside. It appears in one of the rollovers. I must have lost my snorkel piece there. You heard the clicking and everything in the transmission there. We definitely have to upgrade that transmission, and whatever else we can upgrade on this, we are going to do that. I want to turn this into something a little better than what it is, which shouldn't take much. But I am going to put this in for the June giveaway. So this will be the last RC for the month of June. But if you want this to be the giveaway for June, then go ahead and smack that like button, because how the giveaways work is Each month I feature a number of RCs, and then I give the subscribers a chance to enter and win one of those RCs for that month. But the one that I'm giving away is the one that gets the most likes. So check out this one. If you like this one, put a like on it. Check out the other one for June. I had a drone for June. I did try to do a boat, but the boat was a fail, so that will not be in for the giveaway for June. So it's just this WPL C14 and the JJRC H95. So get your like on your favorite one, and then to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber from the US and comment down below. Your comment is your entry, but your comment is only your entry for this truck if this is the most liked RC, because I'm only pulling comments off of the video with the most likes. So if you don't have a comment on that video, you don't have a chance to win that RC if it does end up being the most liked RC for the month. And then on July 1st, I'm going to go live and announce which RC was the most liked RC and who wins it. So good luck to everybody who enters. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, but I hope to see you with the next ready to run RC.